Time now to check with our weather today. We're with meteorologist Adam Bell, and nice day outside. We've had a lot of sunshine so far, but the question on everybody's mind is it going to last?
Well, I wish I had better news, but unfortunately it doesn't look like it's going to last at this point.
That's too bad.
The morning does look good. I think it's going to be a beautiful day today. We are already looking at great conditions out there, and then the clouds are going to start moving in eventually. We're already at 48 degrees this morning, dew point over 37, humidity at 66%. That will drop as the day progresses, as the temperature rises and the dew point remains relatively similar. Relatively light wind out of the east at only 3 miles per hour. Across the state, we're looking at very similar conditions. Cooler spot up in the northwest, 38 in Bradford, 43 in Erie, where some low clouds and fog have kind of kept temperatures a little bit on the downside right now, but they will eventually break up. The fog is already broken up and they will get warm as well. 55 in Allentown and Philadelphia, also at 56. They're going to get up to near 70 today. We could even see that up here in State College as well. Satellite imagery, not too much to worry about up in the northeast right now. Had a few early clouds early this morning, late last night, have since moved out. Big story, of course, this big system off to our west, and that's where we're going to see those clouds starting to move in. Later today, we'll start seeing some high thin clouds, so it's not going to be anything that'll block the sun entirely, but tonight into tomorrow, that's when the clouds are going to start moving in, and then even some rain as well. Satellite imagery across the United States, the only big thing, of course, to worry about is this storm. This pretty much has cloud cover across the central entire United States. We even have some storms down across eastern Texas, even into Arkansas, some heavy rains moving into Missouri and even into parts of Iowa and Illinois. Taking a look at our winter scan radar, and I say winter scan radar because we still have some snow to deal with across much of the mountains of the west. We do have quite a bit of rain, you can see on the radar here, extending basically from Chicago down to St. Louis, all the way down to south of Dallas, and these showers will eventually move into our region. I guess if there was any good news, I think the best thing I can say is right now the latest data is suggesting the heaviest precipitation will move just to our north, but we still are going to see quite a bit of rain with this system as it moves into our region. And then, of course, some cold air off to the west, filtering in, changing those rain showers to snow showers, and I think we can expect something very similar here. Maybe not significant snow, maybe a flurry or two, but that's not till later on over the weekend. Take a look at our forecast for today. We are looking at a beautiful day. Enjoy it while it lasts. A high temperature of 67. I can't even rule out the possibility of a couple isolated 70s across the region. It's just going to be a gorgeous day, and the clouds are going to start moving in late in the day. And then for tonight, that's when we're going to see the clouds become more steady and thicker, and then we're also going to see the chance of precipitation, especially after midnight. The showers will start developing. I think the steadier rain will actually hold off until around maybe sunrise tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow is just going to be a day where don't forget the umbrella, because it's going to be a fairly wet one. High temperature still relatively nice in the mid-60s with an east wind starting out going to south at 5 to 8 miles per hour. It should be a nice afternoon if you like temperatures, but unfortunately the rain is going to kind of keep hindering on that. And like I said, maybe even a couple thunderstorms is possible as well, with not much going on there. And then your 5-day forecast, fairly nice for the beginning of the week today and even into early tomorrow, and then things start going downhill in a hurry. We're looking at 65 for your high on Friday, Saturday down to 60, and then the cold front comes through, brings in some cooler temperatures, makes it much colder, under the upper 40s for your Sunday and even into Monday. And there's still a chance of showers pretty much every day through your weekend and even into early next week as well. So it's going to be
a short-lived thing.
Yeah, pretty much.
Can't enjoy too much spring-like weather.
Basically, it's welcome back to winter with a couple flurries even possible on Sunday night. So it's not going to be a good weekend. If you can stay inside, do it.
All right, sounds good. We'll be right back.